Hello, this is Stephanie, and again, you've made your way to my channel, Saving with Stephanie J. Okay, I'm here to tell you that Walmart, Ibotta, Saving Star, Checkout 51, Fetch, they are not joking this week, and they have been for about a week, so they're still popping, so head out over there, because most of them you can get either free or a money maker, and use my Fetch reward codes if you hadn't, and I'm going to link that number down there, because you can get a lot of points for just snapping a picture of your receipt. How easy is that? It's easier than anything. Okay, let's just dive right in the middle of this. Let's talk about this Stevia. Okay, this is $3.24 at my Walmart. It was funny, at one of my Walmarts it was $3.24, and then another Walmart just kind of right down the street at one of the markets, it was like $3.40 something. I don't know. So this was $3.24. There's a $2 digital coupon off of Stevia.com. You go in there and you can print, I think, 2 of them off, which is going to make it $1.24 out of pocket. But then Sweet Ibotta is going to give you $1.50 back if you get 2 of them for each of them, making this a 26-cent moneymaker. So if you get 2, yep, okay. Mercy, what a mess I have. Okay, let's see. Mr. Downy Wrinkle Releaser come back. Okay, Downy Wrinkle Releaser is $6.97. This is the 33.8 fluid ounce, and it's $6.97 at my Walmart. There was a $2 coupon out of the 616 Smart Source. I'm having a lot of trouble with my S's today, which is going to make it $4.97 out of pocket. Then Ibotta is going to give you $4 back for a limit of 2 of them, making this 97 cents. And when you go, let's say you go and get 2 of them now, 1 of them now, whatever, and then go back and get another one or 2 more, or however it resets, there's also a bonus. So actually, if you do 2 separate transactions, does that make sense? That's going to make it really a money maker. But right now, it wasn't a money maker for me. Got that. Okay. Okay, next. Let's see, got the Poise Active. Now this is the 12 pads, and you could do it a couple times. And this is the 18 pads. This is a number 4, and this is a number 5, okay? These are the Active Collection. They're at $4.84. There's a $3 coupon off coupons.com. And I think there's one in one of the newspapers. I'll have to research that and see, but I think there is. And so that makes the $1.84 out of pocket. But then good old Ibotta, up to 5 times, is giving you back $1. So that makes this 84 cents. So I have people in my life I picked that up for. I'm just saying. Okay, let's see. Again, on coupons.com, and I think there was also one in the newspaper. Another one I got to research and let you know. This is the Children's Zyrtec, good old Zyrtec when it comes back. This is found in the children's aisle back there with the, the little things of diapers and, stuff like that. In the baby department, not in the medicine department, okay? And this is the 1 fluid ounce, so it is not a travel and it's not a trial size. So this is $3.47. There's a $4 coupon, like I say, off coupons.com, making this a 53-cent moneymaker. Do that math. All right. Okay. Let's see. Put that to the side. Let's see. I've still got stuff everywhere. Let's see. This is the Ocean's Halo, and this is the sea salt seaweed snack. Little pieces of seaweed. My Jessica loves that. It's 74 cents a piece. Go get you 4 of them, which brings, for 4 of them, it's $2.96. Okay, no coupons or nothing. And then checkout 51 is giving you money back, and so is Saving Star. So that makes them, it winds up making them 36 cents each. Thank you, please. And every day. Alrighty, a couple more things. First off, I got this thing of, it's called Bitten Creamy Blackberry Balsamic dressing for your salad, if you like a fruity salad. Okay, let's see. This was $2.48. I still had that coupon, you know, that came in, I think it was the Pinch Me box, I think. And that was like $2 and something. And so then there was like $1 on Ibotta. So that made this a little bit of a money maker. Not bad. Okay, I got some Sheba. It's the double pack. And if you bought 6 of them, 6 double packs, okay, they are 78 cents a piece. So you're going to buy 6, and you're going to use the coupon off of coupons.com. That's buy 3, get 3 free. So 6 times 78 is $4.68, and then you're going to get 3 of them free, which you take off $2.34. So watch this one, because it has been taken off only 1.78 cents instead of 3. You feel me? So you just got to watch that, and if you watch it and you catch it, the cashier will adjust it. Or you can take it to the service desk, and you know, they can do a price adjustment on it, because you know the coupon clearly says buy 3, get 3 free. Okay, so it ought to wind up being $2.34 for 6 of them, or 39 cents a piece. So that's about half. That is half price. Not too bad. Let's see, Snuggle. Now, on this one right here, I've got to do some checking on it, because I don't have my little thing up here. Right here, and you can see where the peely was. I've got it downstairs in my purse. You bought this, and it's had a little thing that you can do online and get it free. So, this was $9.97. And they also had it on the 5-pack. No, the 3-pack. So this is the 5. And then I still had $1 on Saving Star. So that made this $1 money maker when I get that back, if I ever give it back. You know how sometimes you don't get crap like that back when it says it'll take 6 to 8 weeks, but whatever. That's all right. Let me see. Okay, and this is down in the refrigerator downstairs. Again, the La yogurt smoothies are free. They're about $3.70. The Ibotta is $3.77. At my store, they're $3.78. Okay, so you're gonna pay $3.78 out of pocket, but you're gonna get $3.77 back, which makes the 4-pack of the La yogurt smoothie things $1. I mean a penny. What is my life? Mercy, you can tell third shift. Tonight is another night back, and so I'm a little bit nuts. So that is going to make that 4-pack a penny. And since it's yogurt, I didn't want to bring it up here into these hot lights. Okay. Okay. Let's see what else I have for my babies to tell y'all. Hang on. that is about all I think I have got. And I'm sorry I didn't get on here for Mask Monday and do my live. I just, yeah, after working 4 days after having that hip surgery, it just whooped my butt. And so I had to come home and go to bed. But we got a date this coming Monday, which will be August the 3rd, 4th, something like that, 5th. I don't know. I'll put it down in the description below, or right here somewhere, maybe here. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And thumbs up, and let me know that you thought this was a useful video, because in everything that we got, it was almost just a few cents or free or money maker. And so the money makers make up for the things that were a few cents. You feel me? You feel me? All right, we will talk at y'all later, because tomorrow I am going to bring y'all the Family Dollar. And if that coupon on the Love's Wipes is still working, I'm going to get them for 15 cents. I'm just saying. I'll explain a little bit of that tomorrow. Alrighty, we'll talk to you later. Bye.